All right, guys. Quick weekend review for Tuesday through Friday, Memorial Week with Trade to Target. Another great week, just simple as she goes. If you've been reviewing what we've been posting, we do a live trade room each morning with a very simple objective. We're looking to just carve out small segments of time. We're not swinging for the fences, hitting single after single, identifiable trade execution points, picking the right direction most of the time. And this is how this week shook out. So, of course, Monday the market was closed. On Tuesday, we fired one bullet, took one trade, netted 5 points. Wednesday was a no trade morning. Thursday, we did one trade for 8 points, and Friday, today, we did one trade for 10 points. That's 23 points on the S&P 500. And if you're listening to this or seeing this and you're trading options on SPY or you're speculating, trust me, I get it. We understand there's way more opportunity. If you feel like you want to sit in front of the computer all day long and figure that out, it's not what we teach nor do. We're taking the first hour of market, we're getting in, we're getting out. And the sustainability of that is really profound in our perspective. And so I want to invite you, if you have not joined us yet, to come to our trade room for 3 days and see if you can subscribe to that thought process. If you're struggling, if you have really big days and then you blow up your account, the normal road of most retail traders, we want to show you a different way. So just going through this week on the trade setups. Let's get to Tuesday here. And I'll just take you through the execution points that we defined in our trade room. So on Tuesday, we were a one trade for 5 points, and we actually took that right here. So as market opened, here 5, 10, 15, 20, about 25 minutes, this little wick and the way market moved and the way it loaded in the process of what we define in our evaluation and trade execution points and setups, that this movement, buy side movement, was an edge for continued buying. And on this little pullback, we took the trade. We actually got out with 5 points and just let the market continue. We were done and went about the rest of our day. On Wednesday, it was a no trade day. We were waiting for similar movement as market opened, made this move. A lot in our room shorted this on our T1 movement short, but we didn't call it out in the room. And we were just waiting and waiting and waiting. And as this just continued to grind in 3 or 4 point increments, just nothing ever triggered. So we did not take a trade on Wednesday. Thursday, we were buyers at our target point. There was a lot in the room that shorted the market here at our Prima line, but the no-brainer was to buy at our target. As market was hit, we knew this number and knew this area as high probability for market holding almost an hour before it hit, and that we were buyers here. Got out, took 8 points to 20 actually, and we're done. And then today we were T1 short. Pretty no-brainer, straightforward movement at our impact line and at this movement back through this high selling market for 10 points. So what does that mean? If you're new to this conceptually, what it means is, 1 point of movement is $50 of profit, right? On one contract, on one futures contract. So if you can go do 20 points in a week, we did 23 this week. That's $1,000 per contract that you're trading, right? If you're a multiple contract trader, two or three contracts, it's a $2,000 to $3,000 week in very simple understanding and objective. So we're hoping to show you that. Visit tradetotarget.com. You can activate a 3-day pass. You'll get a unique link each morning, or you can text the word pass, PASS, to 385-471-3121. Just come observe. You may not see value proposition in how we do it and what we do. There's lots of people that do, and our sincere objective is to show you it. No pressure, no kidding. And if you agree with that, I personally will look forward to helping you through the process. So text the word pass, PASS, to 385-471-3121. And I hope to see you in the markets and um, see you Monday morning.